Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. Let me get some napkins out real quick, you guys. Today, what we got going on? Okay, so we have some Jin, it's called Jin Korean noodles. This is the mild version. The last time I had it was spicy. And then we have some seaweed chips. Anyhow, you can get these. I think I got these from Costco. Comes in a bag. They're actually delicious. Oh yeah. What else? Oh, this is my leftover broth from this bowl. I need to get a bigger bowl. So we have 3 packs of noodles. All right, you guys, let's begin because I'm hungry. Here you go. You're gonna get the first bite. Go ahead. It's not that spicy. It's mild. Hold on, let me eat first before I do a little ramble. Still hot. Something about this broth is so delicious. Something about you. Oh. Yeah, the broth is, well, the mild. It's okay. I think I'm gonna stick to the spiciness. Oh, that's what they're called. Seaweed crisp. Crisp. So today, you guys, I'm gonna go visit my mom. So I'm gonna get my hazmat suit on. And then I'm gonna go stand outside her window, looking like Jason. Oh yeah. So early this morning, I called my mom up just to give her a heads up that I'm coming over. And she was like, I had to explain to her what's going on as far as the pandemic going on. And I told her I'm going to be outside her window. And she was like, why would you want to do that? And I explained to her that there is this sickness going around. And then she was like, well, nobody's sick in our house. And she goes, I'll be waiting for you. I'll open the door when you get here. Anyhow. Didn't think I was gonna do that, huh? I'm always one up on you. I actually do have the seaweed sheets, but I think I have the large one. I'm gonna make some sushi roll, but obviously it's gonna be plant-based. Okay. So the back of it, it's rice, and obviously the green part is the seaweed. So currently it's about 10, almost 11. Hold on. Yeah, 10:50 in the morning. So by the time I'm done eating, I'm gonna freshen up a little bit. Then I'm gonna head all over to my mom, hang out with her for a little bit, and then go for my get some cardio in. Since I'm right there, I'm next to it, so might as well get there. I'm gonna still finish this, but I think next time I shouldn't add that much because now it just tastes like a fish pond. Yeah, too fishy. Too fishy. Ain't nobody fishing around here. I don't know why I keep doing that. It's not even spicy. I think it's a habit for me since I eat a lot of spicy food that I just normally do that. was good. Next time, no more seaweed chips. Or not so much in the bowl. Oh, excuse me. All right. Thank you guys so much for having brunch with me. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ofatu. You can go.